Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we will continue our series in which we are learning to read the glorious Quran. In today's lesson we're going to focus on mad lazim. This is a special type of mad which is stretched for 6 harakas. We've covered in previous videos that mad means to stretch. We've covered stretching for 2 harakas, for 4 harakas, and today we're going to cover mad lazim, which is when a mad is followed by a shadda. We stretch this for 6 harakas. So by now you should know that 6 haraka is the amount of time it would take to lift our finger up and down 3 times. For example, this is 6 haraka. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah, amma ba'd. So in this first example here, we can see there's a dad with a fatha on it followed by hamza. So you know already that this is mad for 2 harakas. Now, because it's followed by a shadda, we will do a different mad. We will do mad lazim. This is stretched for 6 harakas. 6. So, as usual, I will spell it and you read after me. And then after a couple of lines, I will stop spelling it. And then I will just read it as it's written and you read after me, or you read before me, pause the video and then compare your reading to mine. ضاد فتحة ألف لام شدة ضال لام فتحتان لن ضالا. So this would be read ضاد فتحة ألف لام شدة ضال لام فتحتان لن ضالا. I'll repeat that again. ضالا. Those of you with sharp ears may have noticed that when I read the lam shadda, I raised my voice a little bit. This is called nabr. Nabr is very important. It's a tajwid rule that not many people are familiar with, but really we should be using it every day because we recite Surah Al-Fatiha every day in Salah. And there's an instance of nabr in Surah Al-Fatiha. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. Nabr is there. Let me know in the comment section below if you knew this or if you figured it out. Nabr is a very special tajweed rule that not many people are familiar with. And this is one instance of nabr. So whenever we have a mad followed by a shadda, we stretch for 6 harakas, and when reading the shadda letter, we raise our voice just a little bit to show that there is a shadda there. Because don't forget, shadda means there's 2 letters. The first is sakin and the second has a haraka, fatha, dhamma, or kasra. So to show that there is 2 letters there, we have to raise our voice just a little bit. ضالا. As I said, this is one instance of nabr in the glorious Quran. Altogether there are 5 instances when the reciter must do nabr, when they must raise their voice just a little bit. This is one of them, mad lazim, when there is a mad followed by shadda which is stretched for 6 harakas. But there are 4 other instances too, which we will cover in our tajweed series inshallah. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends so we can pump out more videos. So just to summarize what this instance of nabr is, we stretch for 6 harakas and then we raise our voice just a little bit on the shadda letter to show that there is 2 letters there. And now we'll continue with the lesson. دال فتحة ألف با شدة داب با فتحة با داب تا كسرة تن دابة. Remember the nabr. دابة دابة. The voice is raised a little bit. Next one. ح فتحة ألف جيم شدة حاج جيم فتحة جا حاج كاف فتحة ك حاجك ح فتحة ألف جيم شدة حاج جيم ضمة جو حاج ha fatha alif, jim shadda hajj, jim dhamma waw ju, hajju, ka fatha ka, hajjuka, lam fatha la, ضاد فتحة ألف لام شدة لا ضال، لام ضمة واو لو لا ضالو، نون فتحة نا لا ضالون. And now I'll read the rest of them as they're written. I will read it and you read after me, or you read it before me, pause the video and then compare your reading to mine. ولا الضالين. Notice once again nabr. Next we have أتحاجوني. Did you see that? We had two mad lazim here. One of them is here. One of them is here, and the other one is here. But because noon with the shadda, we have to do ghunna as well. We have to do the mad lazim and the ghunna. The only exception to the nabr in mad lazim is when there is a mad followed by a noon or a meme with a shadda, because we have to do the ghunna. Because we have to do the ghunna, it's already clear that there are two letters, so we don't have to raise the voice a little bit, because the listener already knows that there are two letters here, as is shown by the ghunna. So this will be read as أتحاجوني. Now we continue. ولا تحاضون. Next we have والصافات. Next جاءت الصاخة. We had 4 haraka mad here, followed by 6 haraka mad here. And lastly we have فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى. And with that we'll end this lesson inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.